In this video, I'm going to run down this special edition Peter McKinnon Edition X4 Pro bundle, which includes a brand new accessory. And if you've been waiting to get into the 360 camera game, well, this could be a great time to get the best in class camera. But the reason that you should think about this bundle isn't just about Peter. I mean, yes, Peter McKinnon's review of the Insta360 ONE X was the reason I got into 360 cameras in the first place, but here's the thing. The bundle not only includes the X4, but also a spanking fresh accessory, the foldable 2-in-1 selfie stick. Just look at how cool it is. So yeah, if you've ever been worried about the portability of the selfie stick, you need to use a 360 camera properly, well, this could be the bundle for you. So inside the very nice box you get here, you get the Insta360 X4 and must-have accessories. You get a battery, you get a 256 gig micro SD card, and you get this lens cap too. And of course, you get the new foldable 2-in-1 selfie stick, customized and graced with the Grandmaster McKinnon's signature. I mean, like his actual signature. I mean, that's what they told me when they sent me this anyway. And you'll only get his signature on it if you buy a special Peter McKinnon bundle. But don't worry, you can buy it separately without his graffiti all over it. I'll post a link in the description. All right, let's get into the stick and let me tell you more about it. There are a couple of things to know here. You can get the foldable 2-in-1 selfie stick by itself. You can buy a mini remote that goes with it, and you can buy a 2-in-1 stick plus mini remote plus lens cap kit too. So yeah, you get to pick and choose how you piece that all together. And of course, you shoot incredible fake drone shots using it as an invisible selfie stick, or you can unfold the built-in tripod just here for easy setup. So yeah, it is designed to be super convenient and usable. You can flip it to start shooting, and you can fold it to go with your X4 wherever you want. Now it's super compact at only 16.6 centimeters, plus it has this lens cap kind of tethered to the bottom for protection. So it's easy to use the mini remote, which has a designated slot in the stick for easy click control of your camera. Your X4 can be controlled remotely within a 10-meter radius, that's 33 feet in old money, so you can easily start and stop shooting. Now it also comes with straps, so you can attach the mini remote to another selfie stick, handlebars, or even a fishing rod if that's what you're into. The basics are pretty simple. Align the 1/4 inch mounting point on the bottom of the camera with the 1/4 inch screw on the foldable 2-in-1 selfie stick. Now you turn this knob to secure the camera onto the stick. You can pop the mini remote into the slot that it was designed for in the 2-in-1 selfie stick, but you also get in the kit this SD card holder as well, though I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do with the mini remote. I guess it just goes in my pocket. Okay, that mini remote works via a Bluetooth connection with the camera, and you can use it to wake up the camera, trigger quick captures, take regular photos and videos, and also mark videos whilst you're capturing too. It has an LED light built into it that can tell you if the camera is recording or not, if you're not close to the camera, as well as if it's successfully paired with your camera, or if it's taking a video, or if it's charging, or if it needs a charge. Now the list of the cameras that this mini remote is going to be compatible with will be updated, but I have it on good authority that it will be compatible with the Ace Pro 2 shortly after the firmware is updated at launch. Okay, let's talk about foldability, because that's what this is really for. Because it can really cut down the pocket size or bag space and increase the usability and convenience of your 360 camera. If you've ever thought, I want to use it, but I can't be asked to dig out my selfie stick. It's simple to extend out and use as a selfie stick, but then you can also use the second function, and that's the 2-in-1 bit, and that's as a tripod. Pull out the tripod at the bottom and place it on a smooth, flat surface. Great for time lapses or fixed shots. And here's the folding bit. For Insta360 X series cameras, including the X4 and X3, you can fold and store the foldable 2-in-1 selfie stick with the camera still attached, and use the lens cap strap to protect the camera lenses. Press the button on the side of the foldable 2-in-1 selfie stick and push the camera to the side until it's folded. To unfold, rotate the camera upright and push it down to lock the foldable base. You should hear a click. Simple, effective, and it will be taking its place in my carry bag with my X4. In fact, they could become inseparable friends. More from me here. I'll see you there.